Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best Android keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first three is called Download Bar. 13 shows a progress bar for downloading apps instead. This sheet is called Boulders. Boulders, bigger, bolder folders. It's a lightweight tweak designed to extend stock folders to the edge of every screen without disrupting the established aesthetics of iOS. So you have more apps per page. This sheet is called Open SSH Control Center Toggle or CC Toggle. Powered with iOS 11 and 14. Control Center Toggle for turning SSH server on or off. This is called iWall, compiled with iOS 13 and 14. This is called Hue Folders BG, compiled with iOS 10 and 14. Gives the opportunity to get custom colors and even more options for your folders background and your titles inside. This is called Route Faker Ads, compiled with iOS 10 to 14. You simulate routes which you set, so change your location which you set. You do fake routes. This is called Location Handle Ads, compiled with iOS 10 to 14. So it's made for location-based games like Pokemon Go, PS, play location-based games, and use location handle ads. So you can tweak to change your location. You also could move, move as you walk, while using this tweak. So if you're playing Pokemon Go, you can literally just use the controls to walk, even though you're not really walking in real life. This is called vNode Bypass. It was updated to support iOS 14. So that's I think this is the older version. You get to download the newer version on GitHub. So I'll have a video on that soon. But it's an experimental tool to hide jailbreak files for bypass detection. It's basically like a current bypass alternative. This is called Power Cuff. Exposes assets to hidden power throttling modes for better battery life. This is called the Matrix, and it has Matrix hack your device. So it's MEJF or MP4, storing your ports with any iPhone. To turn your phone to an animation simulator. This is called Dementio. POC tool for setting nonce without triggering, requires TFP0. This is called Emoji Port, iOS 12 to 14.4. Release emojis for iOS 12 to 14.4. This is called Emoji Attributes, various neighborhood fixes for emoji display. This is called Emoji Layout, compatible with iOS 5.1 to 8.2. Layout emoji keyboard, specifically set number of rows and columns of emoji display. This is called Photos Pro. This is called Photos Pro. Add many features to the application of photos, compatible with iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. This is called Yobon Evolution, extra utilities in the control center. This is called Quart, change your notification styles. This is called Meredith, and change the tint color system wide for your favorite apps. This is called Violet, show your artwork of your current playing song on more areas than just the music app itself. This is called Parallel Retry Face ID when failed to recognize. This is called Lyrication, live lyrics so you can sing along to your favorite songs. This is called Copy Pasta, Minimalist Clipboard Manager. This is called Rainbow Fry. The theme looks like this. This is called Spear, multitasking at its best. This is called Quart Notifications Redefined. This is called Dock Controller, control your dock. This is called App Library Disabler, App Library Disabler, turn off App Library. This is called TSS Saver, and one-click tool to save blobs in tsssaver.untitled.com. This was updated to support the Unc0ver version 6.1.0. This is called User Script Manager, augment your web browsing experience using scripts. Supports iOS 10 to 14. This is called User Script Loader, brings userscript.org support for iOS, enabled for Safari and other apps. This is called Alhi Mobile, high jailbreak Alhi Mobile latest version. This is called Fake GPS Pro, change your iPhone location as you wish. Supports all these devices, supports iOS 5.1.1 up to 14.3, all iOS devices, iPhones. This is called Compact Battery Avocado, show battery percentage on 2x2 battery widgets. This is called libfreetype. Freetype is a freely available software library to render fonts. Libfreetype dev is for devs, this file. Libfreetype sits. It's shared libraries. The FreeType project, team of volunteers develop free, portable, and high-quality software solutions for digital typography. This is called libphosphor utilities. Basic utilities required by all phosphor tweets. This is called CarPlay Enable. Use any application with CarPlay. Supports iOS 14 up, and it does not support DRM content like Hulu or Netflix, etc. It also supports running multiple apps at the same time. One on the device, one on CarPlay. She's called YouTubin', called Notifica Ball Appy, and Notification and Customizer. Adds iOS 14 support. She's called Icon Tweak, and support for iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Supports iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. You swipe on the icon on the springboard, or tap in edit mode, force touch menu. You can have access to all this right here. So, pretty cool. The last feature is called Catch 'em All. Complete rewrite coming soon. It's a working Pokemon Go jailbreak detection bypass used with no sub. So jailbreak with options. So hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.